Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann. Today I am going to be unboxing, trying on, and reviewing for you 4 items from Shop Cozy, an affordable women's clothing online store. Thank you so much for joining me for my review, try on, and unbagging of Shop Cozy. They are a budget-friendly women's styling service. They contacted me a few weeks ago and asked if I would be willing to unbag for them. They wanted to send me 5 pieces to review for you. So I want to thank Shop Cozy for sponsoring this video. I'm looking forward to getting into these. They lean more towards a bohemian type style. So if that is your jam, you're really going to like this company, especially at the prices. And in addition, they gave me a code ANN20. Remember the E on the end of the ANN, capital A, and that will get you 20% off of your Shop Cozy purchase. So go check them out. And guys, guess what? They also ship to my wonderful subscribers who are across the pond. They ship to most places internationally, so I'm really happy to share them with you. One thing I was a little bit bummed out about is I did go ahead and I picked 5 items, and they said they were out of the pants. They were out of stock. So I only have 4 items for you today, and sometimes it's a little bit difficult for me to make a video with 4 items. So I'm going to try and style these as best I can so that you get a really good look. Plus, it'll be a little bit longer because we are unbagging. They wanted me to show you the experience of getting the bag. Usually I start out my video in the clothes already, but since they asked me to do this for them, I thought they would. So they do come via FedEx. These only took about 10 days to get to me. I thought the shipping may be a little bit longer. They thought the shipping may be a little bit longer, but it actually came fairly quickly considering they were coming in from overseas. So when they come in, they are in these really nice, good quality bags with a zipper top. No chance anything is going to happen to your items while they are being shipped. If they get into a rainstorm or something, everything's safe and secure. This is very well done. So this looks like something white. Now, as a lot of you know, I am a sucker for a white shirt. I love white shirts. I like white pants too, and I finally got a pair and I discovered that I sit in things. White pants are not necessarily good on my body just because I get so many stains. But this is a button down. I have been looking for a button down shirt, and this one just has one button or one pocket on the side, which I like. Let me get that tag out of the way. This is kind of a gauze type material. I felt like this might be a little bit more forgiving and that it would fit across my chest because I have what I call gapitosis, where the buttons will pull in between my chest, and just doesn't look like it fit right, but I think this one may. Just one pocket I think is better than 2. That can call attention to my bust line, and again, that pocket blends really well. So I'm happy about that. We'll give that a good try on. Long sleeved, so we'll get a look at that in just a minute. Put that over there on my rack. I should have pulled the rack closer. These are a little pair of sandals. This is a little bit out of my wheelhouse, but I really felt like walking out to the mail and stuff. I have a pair of shoes I have been wearing for years now. They're really old and beat up, and it's just when I need to go run outside and do something quick or whatever. And I thought these would just make me look a little more stylish walking around outside, kind of that Birkenstock type style. They're kind of a denim fabric. Can you see that they're frayed here? They got the little buckles on top and a cork bottom. They look quite comfortable. And I thought these would be a comfortable, less awful looking thing for me to do kind of some of my running around, and just out in the yard, and when I walk out to the mail or a quick walk with the dog, just something very brief outside. But these may actually work for styling other ways too, so I'm excited to try those on. Set them here so I don't have to walk out of camera range. Item number 3. This is a dress. And I thought this was pretty. A lot of times this isn't my style, but something about this dress I just liked. So this definitely has kind of a polyester-y feel, but it feels a little bit slick. So it feels honestly like it's not going to be real breathable. But I'll see when I put it on. One thing I am is pretty honest. I mean, I know the companies send me the clothing for review and I get to keep it, but I want you guys to have a really good representation of what these clothes, an idea of what these clothes are about. I also thought this may transist rather well into fall because of the kind of the warmer colors, and also it is a maxi dress. And that will work with the shoes. And lastly, in our box, we have, trying to remember, oh, I really wanted to try this little t-shirt. The price on this is very reasonable, and oh, there's tissue paper in there too. But I just really thought this is different than any other little t-shirts I have. And I just thought the pattern and the colors on this were real pretty, and it's different than anything else I have. So there we go. Those are our 4 items from Shop Cozy. I will be back in just a minute and we'll try these on. So let's start out here with the shoes. These are the plus size date denim slipper in black. These also come in bone and pink. They run in European sizes, 36 to 43. A 43 is a US size 11, which is what I ordered because I am a size 11, and they are $35.99. I will tell you right now, these feel like very, very good quality shoes. They're really comfortable. There's even a little bit of arch support in them. I like that. And the buckles on them are adjustable. They have holes so you can change the width of these straps. I love the style of them. They've got the frayed denim. I know I showed it to you before, but I think these are really cute with the frayed denim. And then of course there's the buckles, but those are functional buckles. So you can change the width across the top. And I'm a size 11 in length, but I don't have a wide foot. So I really appreciate that. Okay, and right now, last I checked, you want to check the sizes to make sure that yours is available. I think they were missing a couple and they're probably sold out. Next up, we have the white shirt. Now I just went ahead and put this on with my own jeans and my own belt. I think this is a good look going into fall. Kind of helps transist a little bit, still works on warm days, but you don't look completely summery. This top is a cottony feeling gauze. I cannot find the fabric content on it, but it definitely feels like there's at least quite a lot of natural fiber, if not all. It's really good styling options with this. So you can pop the collar, have it up like that. I love a popped collar. Look, no gapitosis. We're fitting right there. I like that there's only the pocket on one side. The pocket isn't really obvious. I would rather have no pocket, but for a white button down, I think this is really awesome. Nice forgiving fit. It does have a dropped shoulder, but it doesn't look grossly oversized. And so I think this is actually really flattering on me. It does have long sleeves. I have folded them up and pushed them up to the elbow because I think for this time of year, that's probably a pretty good look. However, you can pull them down, kind of make them a 3/4. They do not have the tab on the inside. And I like that because I don't know why, but tabs drive me crazy. There's something about that button out there I don't like, so I would prefer that it be tab free. Let me go ahead and pull the sleeves all the way down so you can see these are a nice long sleeve. I'm 5'9". I have average length arms, and they are hitting right above, right near the knuckle. So these are plenty long. It could even afford to shrink a little bit in the wash. I honestly think for the price, what did I say, $29.99? This is really a great quality little shirt, honestly. Plus, as I've shared before, making button downs is a pain in the rear end. Very much more difficult construction than just a standard shirt with all of the buttons and the plackets and the sleeve setting and the collars and all that. So I think $29.99 on a shirt of this quality is fantastic. And here is the length. So pretty much covers the booty in the back, not quite all the way. So there we go, cotton button down and a cute little pair of Birkenstock style sandals. Next up is this cute little t-shirt that I was very excited to get. Something about this on the website, I just felt like the colors would be good on me, even though it's a little bit different than what I normally, it's got some beige, it's got some kind of rusty. I actually don't mind a rusty color. It leans a little bit towards an orange. I don't generally go for colors like this, but I think with this so much navy in there, it looks flattering on me and it would look flattering on most other people. There are a lot of things I like about this little t-shirt, but first of all, let me tell you what it is. This is the Casual Stripes V-neck cotton blend t-shirt, and this is multicolor. This is the only colorway that they have this little t-shirt in. It comes in sizes small to 3XL. This one is a medium, and the price is $14.99, which I think is really reasonable. It's got a really nicely finished V-neck hem. It doesn't have a shoulder seam, so it just kind of nicely drapes over the arm here. It does have a seam down the back, which is nice because that gives an opportunity for some additional shaping. Is probably the reason why when I looked at it on the website, I felt like it would be flattering and not boxy on me like so many t-shirts are. That seam down there probably gives them the opportunity to pull it in just a little bit at the waist and just give a little more definition there. A problem I'm having with the shirt is the underside is white. So, because at first I thought, oh, I'm going to show it with a front tuck, but here's what happens. Here's the length, by the way, as long as we have it untucked. But look, it rolls up. So if I'm going to wear it untucked, I've got this white stripe going across my hip. And if I'm going to front tuck, then you've got this big white. It just doesn't work. I think the only way to wear this is tucked in, unfortunately, but it is cute. And the reason that it's showing white and it's rolling up to show the underside, because the hem is not finished. Now for $14.99, I get it. You know, if usually you're going to spend more on a t-shirt where the hem is finished. And yes, I could finish it myself, but I just don't have time anymore, really. But if it was finished, it would not roll out like that. So, you know, obviously it's a print on the outside of the shirt instead of actually being woven in, which many shirts these days are. But I just wish that the underside was something other than white. It's too bad they didn't print it on a navy. But anyway, it's a cute little top anyway, and I think it's very flattering as long as it's tucked in. Well, it's flattering if it's not tucked in. It's just got that annoying white thing across the bottom. All right, I will be back in just a second with the dress. Last item in our Shop Cozy haul is this really pretty dress. Many things to like about this. Very lightweight. It feels a little bit nylon-y. You know, at the beginning when I was trying to describe the fabric and I said polyester, a little bit nylon-y, but I think it might be a nylon cotton blend. I'm not finding any fabrications on these pieces. I'll tell you though that they are all machine washable. Thank goodness, huh? I do get the feeling that this would release stains very, very well. It would travel very, very well. And it's not as unbreathable as like a nylon windbreaker. It just kind of has that feel and a little bit of that sound to it. It is a fully pleated skirt all the way down, which I think is really, really flattering. I am 5'9" and it almost reaches the floor. So nice and long. It has a zipper on the side to help you get in. Very well done zipper, by the way. I wish I'd have known about that when I put it on because I pulled it over my head and it actually went on okay. Do pay attention when you are on the site to the size charts for each item, because this one suggested by the size charts I get a large. I did. I almost got a medium. Often in these styles I fit in a medium, but I went ahead and went with the large, and I'm glad I did, because if I did not, it would not have fit me. Have I told you what this dress is? This is the holiday V-neck leaves printed half sleeve dress. That is a mouthful. It comes in sizes small to 3XL. Again, this is a large. And check on the sizes if you like this one, because they were out of stock of a couple of them. And this one is only $34.99. I think that's a great price. It does have a modesty snap here, which I very much appreciate. Not going to be flashing anybody. And at the cuff, it is elasticized with a ruffle right there. Very, very cute. Love the print. Again, this is my own belt. I'm going to take this off so that you can see what it looks like without the belt. It has an empire waist or empire, if that is how you say it. Nice up high underneath the bust. However, on me, it almost hits just above the bottom of my bust. That's because I'm big busted. I think that were my bust line smaller, this waistline would hang exactly where it's supposed to. There are thread belt loops here. I find that curious because it didn't come with a belt. So normally when there's thread belt loops in a dress, they come with a belt. I checked the bag, it's not there. I was not expecting it to have a belt, although it did show it with a belt, I believe, on the website. It didn't mention anything about a belt in the description. I was just surprised to see the belt loops there. So if you want to put a belt in so that it matches up with that empire waist, you actually have some belt loops to help hold it there. That is it for our Shop Cozy try-on review unbagging today. I want to thank you very much for being here with me, and I want to thank Shop Cozy for sending me these pieces to review. Please go and check out their website if you would like to see what they have that you might like. Don't forget to use my discount code ANN20 to save 20% off. Also check their site because they have all sorts of really good deals. I saw something about 4 items for $84. That might be a better deal than my discount code. I don't know. Or perhaps you can combine them. I don't know, but go check it out. Go see what you think. Some fun styles at reasonable prices. Shop Cozy. Thank you very much for being here. If you could comment down below, that helps me out. It turns out, I didn't think it did, but it does. That helps me out with the algorithms. Plus, I just simply love interacting with you guys. You guys are a lot of fun and you are the best. If you could just like the video real quick, that again helps me in the algorithms. And if you enjoy all sorts of unboxings, unbaggings, try-on reviews, a little bit of lifestyle thrown in there, I'm your girl. I would be absolutely honored if you would subscribe. With that, I will let you go and see you on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. Hello, and thank you so much for joining. Oh, that was perky. Hello, hello, hello. I wanted to say something. Okay, there was something I wanted to tell them about this company. And last up, we have the Casual Stripes V-neck. Nope, that is not what this is.